So what's up, guys? Paul Salmon here. I got a call from an old friend about, this has been, I guess, a week or two since it happened. But it was down at Dexter getting breakfast, and there were some fellas. I thought he was flying with them, but it turns out they were just on the ramp together there. They'd had an R-44 that they couldn't get to start. And so he called me up, and we had some ideas on what might fix it and what parts to bring down there. So I took off from here, had some parts that we could get him into the air, and went down there and actually got him going there. As it turns out, I thought it was one of our competition. I thought it was a flight school from Jonesboro, but it turned out it was actually just a private individual that had the aircraft. But nonetheless, it doesn't really matter whether it's your competition or just another person or whatever. If somebody has difficulties, has a problem trying to get the aircraft into the air or whatever, everybody tries to, in aviation generally, people will go out of their way to help you to get you in the air. I remember myself one time when I had a headset that went through went through the prop on a gyro, and a lady gave me a headset. I tried to buy it from her. She wouldn't take any money. It was about a $400 headset, but it's just the way people usually are in aviation. People will go out of their way to help each other out. So anyway, we'll take a look at the video here.
Hey, we'll take a look and see if we can find the other helicopter. I guess it's here on the ramp somewhere. All right, we're on the ground. Head over here and see if we can get these guys going. There's Kenny Jones, man. I ain't having him 10 years probably. Get the big whirly thing on top stuff there. How you guys doing? Trying to get my old ass out of here. I used to be able to jump in these things, man. I was 20 years old. I can't hardly get in one out of it now. Yeah, it's way slower than it used to be.
Hey, we got him running. Maybe he has to be stuck. Take on a little gas before he goes home. Not a bad idea. Looks like his buddy flew down in a T6. Looks pretty nice. All right, Kenny, take it easy. Stop by sometime. We'll do
Find some time we'll do some flying. I'll just crank it up, do a departure here from the ramp.
So again, if somebody's stuck on the ramp someplace and you have the ability to provide some assistance and get them back going again, then do it. I mean, it's something that, again, in aviation, people will typically go out of their way to help each other out and, you know, pay it forward and give them a hand, get them back in the air. It's a very uneasy feeling to be stuck someplace on a ramp, especially if you're halfway across the United States. You know, your blood pressure goes up, you don't feel very good about the situation. So if you have the ability to help somebody, you should do it. So, well, I hope you liked the video, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.